everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 10th to the 14th of April 2023 on Monday. Mam Zobe gloats to Nobuntu about what she has done and bring her down to size, breaking Nobuntu's heart even further. Siphamandla is overjoyed to learn who his new bride is going to be on Tuesday. Mam Zobe is the cold nightmare that disrupts Mabusi's dreams, leaving her fuming. Mabusi makes a decision about a future with Siphamandla while someone else seems to be making moves on the new young leader on Wednesday. Despite all his efforts, Siphamandla is rejected by Mabusi. Mam Zobe continues to succeed with her deceit. Siphamandla has a secret admirer on Thursday. Siphamandla takes the next step in his leadership and preaches a moving sermon. Mabusi gets the shock of her life when she received an unexpected welcome at the hospital, and Nobuntu is on a downward spiral on Friday. Siphamandla takes the biggest risk and put all his heart out to fate. Difa and Mam Zobe hinge their hopes on Mabusi, and another man's happiness is sold to Reggie's wound. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.